In this tip of the day, let's take a look at a way we can customize the OneCNC job sheet by modifying the font. So first of all, what is a job sheet? Well, within OneCNC, the job sheet is the setup sheet, and they're quite easy to modify. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to take my cursor, I'm going to double click on our toolpath group, and within the NC Processing dialog box, we're going to select Job Sheet. Once we do this, OneCNC gives us a nice little preview of what the job sheet's going to look like. Now there's multiple settings we can change, but let's just focus on the font style. Where it says font, I'm going to just left click on the down arrow, and let's scroll up, and why don't we just select the Arial font. We'll select Arial, and once we do that, over here you can see the font style has changed. If you want a bigger preview of the job sheet, it's quite simple. Just select View PDF, and now we can see our job sheet's been customized with the new Arial font style. Alright, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.